Welcome back, everyone. So this is a continuation of the previous video, the part one video, how to use the Zoom web app, the Zoom application, especially on desktops or laptop for your meetings, online communications, digital meetings and all of that. So if you are just seeing this video, there's actually a part one. So I need you to just check the description of this video. The link to the part one would be in the description. All right now, and I also noticed that in the part one of this video, at a point the audio mysteriously just went low. I apologize for that. I really don't know what could have caused it, and then after a while it came back to normal. So right now, so let's just conclude the lesson. So now, okay, I showed us already the host tools, how you can do these things, unmute. You can allow people unmute themselves. So peradventure it's a meeting of 1,000 people. You don't want, people could be very funny. They will not mute themselves. There's so many people making noise inside the meeting, disturbing. So you can just, mute everyone. When people join, everyone is just mute. It's just mute. So if you don't want them to be able to unmute themselves, you just put that one off so that they can't unmute themselves. They can't unmute themselves. Naturally, when they join, they probably might be mute or they might not be mute. All right now, so this is you can decide to mute everyone by yourself. If you want them to be able to unmute themselves or rename themselves, you just uncheck or check those ones. So now this is okay. I talked about this already. To record your computer, once you click on this, once you record this, you can see at the top here it's already recording my screen and most likely my audio. It might not record my audio currently because the same audio is being used for this tutorial that I'm recording now. So once you are done recording, you can pause at the point. So you might not hear the feedback I got. It's recording in progress, recording pause. So when you're done recording your meeting and all of that, you're done with the meeting. All right, you want to stop recording, then you can click on stop recording. The recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So when the meeting ends, it will probably show you. Okay, I will come to that when we are done with the meeting. So I think the last thing, let's see more here. Let's see what we have here more. Okay, well, nothing so serious. Okay, so I think the last thing I should talk about now is how to share screen. That is one issue that people get to have. So yeah, because if you are not the one that hosted the meeting, the interface might look a little different from this. You might find some things here that are not in my own video, and you might find some things that are in my video. And sorry, there might be some things in my video right now that will not be in your own video in case you are not the host of the meeting. They invited you to join the meeting. So this is looking like this because I'm the one that hosted this meeting. I'm the one that should do the meeting. So now to share screen, okay, advanced sharing option. One participant can share at a time. You can make it whereby multiple participants can share simultaneously, which I don't think that really makes much sense to me anyway. Advanced sharing option. I've not really had to do this. Who can share? All participants, host only. Who can start sharing when someone else is sharing? Host only. I've never had a business with that part. So all you just need to do is just to click on this share, or you can see the shortcut is Alt Command on your laptop, Alt and S. But to save you the stress of looking for Alt on your keyboard, just click on this share button. Once you share button, this is where people always have issues with. Try to avoid. You probably don't have to bother about all of these old places. I don't bother. Content only is what I think that is the default. I've never really had to click anything here. Just ignore all of them. Just make sure that we have three places here: documents, advanced. So these are for advanced things. I mean, these are all wonderful stuff anyway. Documents, Zoom, wonderful things, but you don't want to bother about that for now. All you just need to do is to share your screen. So once you're done, share your screen. Entire screen is what you need to click. Just click on it. Peradventure it's not clicked. Maybe something else is clicked like this. If I click on only this one, it is only this Google Chrome that will show. If I click on this, it's only this my file explorer that will show. If I click on this and I click share, it is only my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp, screen that the users will see. So click on it. It depends on what you want anyway. You might only want to share your Google Chrome, but most cases I prefer to just share entire screen. That is the first one here. Once you click on entire screen, very simple. Just click on share. So, so you can see it has told me now that I'm sharing my screen. So anybody that is joined to this meeting currently anyone joined to this meeting currently would be able to see my screen. So if someone is on this meeting, they would see my meeting. Anything I do right on this screen, they can see my own page. If I go to WhatsApp, they will see it. If I go to Google Chrome, they will see it. If I open my Visual Studio Code, they will see it. If I open any SQL, Power, anything I open, SQL, Power BI, any software, Cubase, FL Studio, Git Bash, anything I open, the users is going to see part time. And then, peradventure, you want to stop sharing, you can click on stop sharing here, or let's return back to the meeting. Show full meeting window. Click on this to expand back, and if you're still there, I could just click on stop share. You can see that once I'm sharing now, I have this other things here, layout and all of that. You don't really need it. So if I want to stop sharing, I'll just click on stop sharing here, and I stop sharing. They no longer see my screen. They're only seeing my face. And to see my face, I have to put on my video. So if I put off this, they only see my account, my Google account display picture, so to say. All right, now, so I think that is basically all that I need to just show you guys on Zoom. So now that we're done, let's probably now end the meeting. So to end the meeting, this is it. I have this option here. Just cancel. You can now leave meeting and leave the other people there if there are people on the meeting, or you can just end the meeting for everyone. So once I end meeting for everyone, all right, now you have ended the meeting. Keep chatting with the meeting participants, blah blah blah. Let's put that out. Now remember that we tried to record our screen for like 30 seconds. So interestingly, we've recorded our screen, and this is the screen here right now. Okay, it's an MP4. Let me just try to play it to be sure that it is converted properly. So while I play it, let me see, is it the same? Okay, I think this should be the VLC version. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think it is. When I play it, my audio you might not hear me, so I'm going to stop talking to just be sure that we recorded the screen. I don't get to record screen from Zoom anyway. I have other softwares that I use, but just know that you can actually record screen from Zoom. All right, interesting. It worked. The record worked. The video, I could hear myself actually. You might not have heard, but I could hear my words. It was a short video I just recorded. So I think that's one major part that people always look forward to, how to record the screen, record their meetings. So you could just try it out. It is very, very, very easy. If you have any difficulties, any questions, any comments, you can always drop your comment in the comment section of this video. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it to other people that might need it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time.